I am channeling my grown and sexy vibe in this beautiful kinky straight wig. I'm going to be doing a 100% glueless, flawless, pre-everything install. This is the final result. We went for a side part vibe. It's literally giving put her on and go, and I'm going to show you how we got this look. Here's a kinky straight side part glueless human hair invisible lace front wig. This is what she looks like on, and then this is what she looks like from the back. Look at that hairline. It looks like it's coming out of the scalp. It's pre-cut lace. Here is what it would look like set as a center part, and also another look at the lace. You can part this one everywhere. We got the hair nice and smooth. It's more of a relaxed look to where you guys can see how beautiful the hairline melted. It really looks good. It looks natural and it looks super flawless. I really wanted to show you guys a really good close-up of the hairline, but I wanted to show you guys how thin the lace is, how seamless it is, and it literally has been 100% glueless. It blends, it camouflages, it is absolutely perfect.